Pablo, let's head on out. Yeah. Big turn for these guys. Okay. We'll just kind of wait here as these guys start to roll out, then we'll start rolling out. They get us the okay. Here he comes. Give him a second to get him in the back end spot. We should be able to come out. Alright, cool. So we'll wait for him to go. We'll give him a couple seconds and then we'll roll out right behind him. Alright, so we'll reset this back. Going right back out. Yep, come on out. Nice, smooth on your way out. There you go. Alright. Upshift us again on the way out. One more upshift to get you ready for that straightaway. There you go. Nice tight turn in here. And now smooth squeeze that throttle and use that road coming off. Keep squeezing that throttle and use that road. There you go. So you can really give it a lot of throttle as you come off there and you get used to it. Upshift it. Awesome. Run it in here. Upshift again. Perfect. Now run it on the air. You got it. Alright, ready? Brake. Downshift one. Stay up here. We want to straighten out those exits for you. So then we'll drop in. Get in nice tight to your green cone first. Now squeeze that throttle. Lots of throttle and use that road coming off. Keep squeezing that throttle. Next one's all the way forward. So feed that throttle in. There you go. Alright. Keep it going. Alright, now brake. Then turn in. Then off your brake. And now squeeze your throttle. Use that steering to keep us tight over there. Back to your green cone. Get you right back in that rhythm again. Alright, brake. Tight turn into your green cone. Get in there tight first. Now squeeze that throttle and use that road. Yes, keep using all that road you can. Excellent. Keep it going in. Good brake. Turn in tight. Now squeeze that throttle and use that road coming off. Use all that road. Okay, we're going to let a car go by us real quick. So back out for just a second. We're going to wait for a second. We got one car. We're going to let go zip by real quick. Okay, now it's all you. Back in that throttle. Now straight to your green cone out there. Hey, they picked it up. Good deal. Easier to see that way. All right, we'll brake by that green cone. Turn in tight to these. Now squeeze that throttle. Go, Pablo, squeeze it. Squeeze that throttle. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. See, if you use that road, you can squeeze it all the way down. There you go. Upshift. There you go. That's what we like. See, we like that throttle. I knew it. Keep us going. Ready? Brake. Downshift. Keep that same pressure. Wait for it up here. Now drop us in. Get in your tight with the steering wheel. Now throttle. Squeeze that throttle. Go. Lots of it. Squeeze it. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. See, as you use that road, see, that helps you. You got it. Run it out in there. All right, brake. Keep on that brake, help it turn in tight. Use that steering wheel, turn it. Now throttle. And it must feel weird, but with that weight on the nose, that thing will turn tight. Brake, turn in tight, use that steering to get us in there. Turn in, now throttle. There you go. So use that steering wheel for it. Alright, so we're gonna get in here, we're gonna brake, stay to your left a little bit, then turn in tight, and now start squeezing that throttle. Go ahead, squeeze it, and use that road coming off. See, if you use all that road, that'll help you give you that throttle. Back to right side. Excellent. Gonna brake. Turn in. And now straight to your green cone out there. Go right at it. Stay with it. Excellent. We're gonna brake by the green cone. Now turn in tight. And now squeeze that throttle. Go. Squeeze it all the way down. All the way down. All the way down the floor. There you go. Upshift it. Keep it going. Upshift again. Now you're ready. We'll have a lot extra speed down there because you did so well. Alright, brake. Downshift one. Wait for it up here. Wait for it. Okay, now drop in. Off that brake, get in tight, now throttle. Squeeze that throttle, all of it. And see how straight this is, see? See how straight? You can give all kinds of throttle. Perfect, you're doing excellent. Alright, we're gonna brake here. Keep that pressure on the nose to help it turn. Turn in tight, then off your brake, and now squeeze your throttle. Nice and smooth, and back over your right-hand side. You got it. Alright, we're gonna brake. Tight turn into your green cones. Now squeeze that throttle, nice and smooth. Go ahead, squeeze it. We're gonna go by these guys. Go ahead, throttle, throttle. More throttle, I'm with you. Keep going. Okay, we're gonna brake. Keep on that brake. I'm getting around the corner here, and now squeeze that throttle. Nice smooth. Go ahead, squeeze that throttle. We use that road. Nice, good sweep back to your right side. Excellent. Gonna brake here. Turn in. Then straight to your forward green cone. Go right at it. Excellent. We're gonna brake here by the green cone. Then turn in tight, and now squeeze that throttle. Go ahead, keep squeezing that throttle and use that road. Keep squeezing. See, as you use that whole road, it allows you to get all that throttle in there. Okay, upshift. Again, we'll be extra about 15 mile an hour faster than we were before, so be ready. All right, brake. One brake, downshift. Excellent. Stay with it up here. Downshift, drop in. Get in tight. And now squeeze that throttle nice and smooth using that road coming off. See how straight it is? Use all that road. Yep, next one's up there. There you go. Okay, we're coming in here. We're going to brake here. Go in downshifting one. Keep on that brake. Turn in tight. Then off the brake. And now squeeze your throttle again. Back to your right-hand side. There you go. Brake here. Tight. Turn into your green cone. Get in there tight first. Now throttle. Go throttle. Squeeze that throttle. More throttle. See if we use that road. See how it gives that throttle. Yeah, it feels weird at first, but it'll take it. Good brake. Now turn in tight. And now squeeze that throttle. Go ahead, squeeze that throttle. Keep squeezing it. Use that road. There you go. Back to right-hand side. Very nice. We're going to brake here. Turn in. And now straight to your green cone out there. Go straight to it. Excellent. Stay with it. Going to brake by the green cone. Turn in tight. Now squeeze that throttle. Go ahead, squeeze that throttle and use that road coming off. Okay. Get back out of the throttle for just a hair. We got one car going to go by us. So just back out the throttle for just a second. Okay, now it's all back to you, Paul. Upshift. All right, keep it running. Yeah, it's running, sitting here. All right, ready? Brake. Keep on that brake. Wait for it up here. Now drop in. Get in tight. Off the brake. Get in tight first. Now squeeze that throttle and use that road coming off. There you go. Now you're starting to use all that road. See it? Nice, good blend comes in together. All right, brake. A little bit more pressure. Keep on it. Turn in. Whoop, didn't turn in quite enough. There you go. Now throttle. Try to stay on those cones. You got it. Brake. Tight turn into your green cone. And now squeeze your throttle and use that road out here. Yes. Excellent. All right, there you go, my man. That was 5 for us. Very nice. Okay, we're going to head into Pit Lane Road right after the white cone here. Yep, and we'll just run right on through there. Awesome job. What do you think of your Ferrari?
Awesome.
Screams like a Ferrari, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go down and through the center here. Excellent job. Really, you know, I'm kind of glad we got you that extra lap because you can see it just kind of all goes quick.
Yeah.
And you see that last lap, we really started to kind of get that rhythm in the car. And man, after that, it just gets faster and faster. So you're definitely candidate. You're getting in another car then?
Getting in the
right along.
Yeah.
Well, if you can get it talked into lady riding that special they're doing, the GTR, and you'd be a good candidate for that car. Yeah, right in here. Excellent. So foot on that brake, keep your pull both shifters back together. That gives us neutral. Now you can just turn that wheel all the way to left. Now you can breathe again. Awesome job, man. Yeah, you can go ahead and shut it off.